all arms of the AI supply chain or market gathered here.
Which then became this thing called an AI supercomputer. And
Jensen Huang, the charismatic and visionary CEO of Nvidia, stood at the podium of a grand auditorium. The atmosphere was electric, the room filled with tech enthusiasts, journalists, and industry leaders, all eagerly awaiting his keynote speech. As he began to speak, the anticipation reached a fever pitch. What followed was a revelation that sent shockwaves through the tech community and beyond. AI, Huang declared, was getting too scary, and Nvidia might need to put a stop to it. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Huang's statement was not just a casual remark. It was a clarion call, a sobering reminder of the rapidly advancing capabilities of artificial intelligence. Nvidia, under Huang's leadership, had been at the forefront of AI development, producing cutting-edge GPUs that powered everything from autonomous vehicles to advanced medical research. Yet, as AI technology evolved, so did the potential risks associated with it. Huang's message was clear. The unchecked growth of AI posed significant ethical, social, and existential threats that could no longer be ignored. The roots of Huang's concerns can be traced back to the exponential advancements in AI over the past decade. Nvidia's GPUs had enabled deep learning models to process vast amounts of data at unprecedented speeds, leading to breakthroughs in fields such as natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. These advancements brought remarkable benefits, revolutionizing industries and improving lives in countless ways. However, they also gave rise to increasingly autonomous systems capable of making decisions without human intervention. One of the primary fears Huang highlighted was the potential loss of control over AI systems. As these systems become more sophisticated, their decision-making processes become less transparent and understandable to their human creators. This opacity, often referred to as the black box problem, raises critical questions about accountability and trust. If an AI system makes a harmful decision, who is to blame? The developers, the company, or the machine itself? The inability to answer these questions definitively underscores the urgency of addressing AI's ethical and governance challenges. Huang also pointed to the growing concerns about AI's impact on privacy and security. Advanced AI systems have the capability to analyze and interpret vast amounts of personal data, potentially leading to unprecedented surveillance and erosion of individual privacy. Moreover, the use of AI in cybersecurity poses a double-edged sword. While AI can bolster defenses against cyber threats, it can also be weaponized by malicious actors to launch more sophisticated and hard-to-detect attacks. The specter of AI-driven cyber warfare looms large, with the potential to disrupt critical infrastructure and compromise national security. The societal implications of AI were another focal point of Huang's address. The automation of jobs through AI threatens to displace millions of workers, leading to economic upheaval and widening inequality. While new job categories are likely to emerge, the transition period could be tumultuous, with significant social and economic costs. Huang emphasized the need for proactive measures, such as reskilling programs and social safety nets, to mitigate the adverse effects of AI-driven automation. Perhaps the most profound concern raised by Huang was the existential risk posed by superintelligent AI. While this scenario may seem like science fiction, prominent thinkers like Nick Bostrom and Elon Musk have warned about the potential for AI systems to surpass human intelligence and act in ways that are misaligned with human values and interests. Huang echoed these concerns, stressing the importance of ensuring that AI development is aligned with robust ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks to prevent catastrophic outcomes. In response to these multifaceted threats, Huang called for a collective and concerted effort to develop a comprehensive framework for AI governance. This framework, he suggested, should be built on principles of transparency, accountability, and inclusivity. Transparency involves making AI systems and their decision-making processes understandable and interpretable to humans. Accountability ensures that there are clear lines of responsibility and mechanisms for addressing harm caused by AI. Inclusivity means that diverse stakeholders, including marginalized communities, are involved in shaping AI policies and practices. Huang's call to action extended beyond the corporate sphere to governments and international bodies. He advocated for the establishment of global standards and treaties to regulate AI development and deployment. Just as nuclear non-proliferation treaties were established to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons, similar agreements could be crafted to manage the risks associated with AI. Such measures would require unprecedented levels of international cooperation and trust. But Huang argued that the stakes were too high to do otherwise. As Huang concluded his speech, the audience was left with a mix of awe and apprehension. The CEO of one of the most influential tech companies in the world had just delivered a stark warning about the future of AI. His message was a wake-up call, urging everyone to rethink their approach to AI development and to prioritize the long-term well-being of humanity over short-term